In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to MetaMask. And if you don't have a Revolut account yet, then please check the link in the description to get started for free. But let's dive into the video right now. So the first thing that we're going to do from our Revolut app is going to the crypto tab. And in here, we are going to click on send. And right now we need to select AVAX Avalanche as we can easily transfer to MetaMask with this coin. So click on AVAX. And right now we need to select an address and we need to click on add wallet address. And for that we need details from our MetaMask. So right now we are going over to our MetaMask. From the MetaMask home tab, please be sure that you have it set to Avalanche mainnet C-chain. And to change this, you are going to click on the top left. And in here you can see various networks. And please make sure you have it on Avalanche C-chain because this is really fast and it has low fees. So click on Avalanche C-chain. After you have it, click on the blue transfer button in the bottom. And here select receive crypto at the bottom. And here you will see a QR code, but what you're going to do is click on copy address. And this is the address that we're going to copy into our Revolut. So we're going back to our Revolut app right now. And in the wallet address section, you can either scan the QR code or you can paste the address we just copied. And I'm going to paste the address. After you paste it in the address, and if you have wallet selected to MetaMask, you can click on continue. And now the address is being added. This can take 5 minutes, but the update will be given when the status changes. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.